Okay, today we're gonna do a grocery haul and I'm excited because I've never done one of these before, but I love shopping for groceries. Weirdly, I know a lot of people hate it, but I really love it. And so today I spent $119, split between two stores. I went to the commissary and to Walmart, and I have the receipt from the commissary. This is the receipt from the commissary. I spent $49 there and about $68 at Walmart. Yep, those are the prices for the commissary. I already threw away the Walmart receipt and I'm not going to dig through the trash to get it. So, okay, starting with, I got these at the commissary because chips are always cheap at the commissary and I liked these. Potatoes were $2.50 at the commissary. That's a steal. So I got those, just some red potatoes. Even if I don't have any use for them, if potatoes, onions, if certain things are on sale, I'm getting it and I'm figuring out what to do with it. And then I got these candy from Walmart because me and my husband love these. I don't know why Walmart never has them, but I got two. Okay, moving on, I got a bunch of deli meat from Walmart. I just get it from the deli because I feel like it's better. I like the pepper turkey breast, so I got two of those. My husband likes the Cajun turkey, so I got one of those. That's a lot of meat, but my husband likes a lot of meat in his sandwiches. And then I also got salami to go with them, and provolone. And also to go with the sandwiches are these tomatoes and ciabatta bread and baby arugula. And then I got some more teriyaki marinade because I plan on making more of that teriyaki steak and rice dinner. Almond milk because I drink this with my lattes. Only a little gallon of milk because usually my husband goes through milk like crazy. Sometimes I have to get 2 gallons a week, but I don't know, we haven't been drinking a lot of milk lately, and every time we start to waste food, I joke and I put us on probation, and right now we're on probation. And then I also got 3 pounds of yellow onions because these were also on sale at the commissary. I think this whole thing was $3, and onions are like $1.50 a pound right now. I don't know. And so I get that when it's a good price as well because I use a lot of onions. The baby spinach because I use it in egg bites, and sometimes I throw it in the sandwiches. And then I got 2 of these Naked juices, the Rainbow Machine, because my husband likes these. I don't even know if they're like super great for you. He just really likes them, so I get a few every time I go to the store. And then I got suckered into buying the pre-cut fruit. I hate buying pre-cut fruit because it's like triple the price if I were to just cut it myself. But my Walmart only really puts out seasonal fruit, and I was craving something other than, you know, apples. So I got cantaloupe. I just paid for it because I really wanted cantaloupe. And I also got sliced peaches because, well, canned peaches because the peaches were really hard and I didn't feel like waiting a week to eat a peach, and so I just got a canned peach. And then I got a pound of bacon because I've been making those egg bites and I use about half, and I'll use the other half for either a potato soup or just another round of egg bites, but I'm thinking the potato soup. And then moving on, I got 18 eggs also from the commissary because the eggs are always really cheap there. And then chipotle sauce because I make a chipotle mayo for the sandwiches. I feel like this is mostly about the sandwiches, but yeah, I use this chipotle sauce for my chipotle mayo. And then a creamer. I like getting the Southern Butter Pecan once it turns to like fall winter time. And then tomato sauce. I stock up on tomato sauce because I use it to make orange rice or to make sopa de fideo. And I know that's the cheater way. I don't care. It still comes out good. And so I always have cans of these in my cupboard. Tortilla chips because I'm always making some kind of salsa. And then the commissary had these on sale too. These are always really expensive, and so when they go on sale, they were $4.19 each. And so yeah, I stock up because they're normally like $9, I swear. And so yeah, I got 3 boxes stocked. And then box stuffing because my husband and I really like box stuffing. I know that sounds weird. I know how to make stuffing from scratch. I make a bomb homemade stuffing on Thanksgiving, but sometimes you just need to bust out the box stuffing, and we're gonna have that with the rotisserie chicken for dinner. Easy, done. So that's this week's haul. This is that dinner with the rotisserie chicken and the box stuffing. I ended up making homemade mashed potatoes and gravy to go with it, and it was so good. You can tell I'm just ready for Thanksgiving.